Some of the winds that we've seen, these are sustained, and we had noted the Hurricane Center is still picking up closer to I-10 out west, closer to Tallahassee. They had seen a 70-mile-an-hour gust, but right now 20 to 30s. Gusts here, we had a 51-mile-an-hour gust at the St. Augustine Airport. So winds still picking up through our late morning, early afternoon, 47-mile-an-hour gust, Mayport, and 45 in Jacksonville. Enough to absolutely blow some furniture around, anything that you may have outdoors, and we'll talk about the things you might need to do about that coming up. Here's a look at the European model, and this is why the cone gets so wide as we get into Wednesday. European and the American model, the GFS, pretty confident in what's going to happen through Tuesday evening, but this wants to take the storm up into Myrtle Beach by Wednesday and then Friday up through the mountains. Still slow. That's still a pretty slow mover. GFS a little different. All right, this has more of a stall out off the coast of Brunswick, or maybe Savannah even, before a stall happens Wednesday night and moves back over southeastern Georgia into Thursday at lunch. That's an extremely slow moving situation, and not exactly the most likely of scenarios either. However, the Hurricane Center taking that into consideration when drawing that really massive cone. So this is a higher resolution, rapidly refreshing model. This is going to just kind of look through our immediate time frame and into our afternoon as well, and pretty well painting where the center is through Lake City, also depicting how that slow movement still going through. So through 7 a.m. Or 7 p.m. I should say, Monday night, that center up near Waycross, very near Folkston, just west of Folkston, moving up through Waycross, but still look at all the rain that goes through Monday night into Tuesday morning in Brunswick and across southeast Georgia, and here in Jacksonville as well. As we get to later on into Tuesday afternoon, things should begin to improve in Jacksonville. So now through Tuesday evening will be your main concern, especially Duval County and south. The impacts continue to be heavy rain with isolated tornadoes, and we need to prepare for that flooding as well. Some other things, let's go county by county now. Monday morning to Tuesday night for Glenn, Camden, Nassau, may even look into Wednesday morning with those showers continuing. Main impact 7 to 12 inches of rain on the low end with winds at 30 to 60 miles an hour, tornado possible. The surge in Brunswick could be a story as well, especially as we get towards the high tide, which for Monday night would be about 10:50. Where Charlton, Brantley, Pierce, we showed you that's where that center will be moving over later tonight. So some gusty winds, tornadoes possible as well this evening with higher rain chances even there. So flash flooding possible. In Duval County, this is a Monday morning, Monday night into early Tuesday morning. The rain will begin to diminish a bit. Rains 5 to 8 inches. We've already heard reports of about a 5-inch rainfall total with winds at 20 to 50 miles an hour. We saw that holding true already. What you need to do is keep your devices charged. You need to stay informed, and by doing that, you're here joining us obviously on the streaming platforms, and have the devices to the First Coast News app as well. I'll wrap up with the 7-day forecast. Your weather impact alert days continue through Tuesday. We're going to hold off on the first half of Wednesday, though there will still be some showers out there. By Thursday and the end of the work week, we're talking about more normal Florida convection, just the typical Florida afternoon showers and storms, and that'll linger into the weekend as well, and then we'll be done with Debby. In the meantime, a lot going on. Stay with us. Of course, First Coast News at noon. Hope to see you then, and if not, we'll see Tim Deegan a little later on this evening with our other full staff of meteorologists. Lee Southwick and Ross Momo will be around. Hope you'll have a good rest of your afternoon, folks.